So today we are west of Ochsner, Lafayette General, and the Oil Center. We're in Bendale Gardens, and this is the first contemporary home that I've ever had the pleasure of viewing. Let's check it out. .417 Beverly is 3,542 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and is currently listed at $425,000. First floor is pretty open concept once you come in. The half bath is downstairs, but the rest of the rooms consist of the living room, dining room, the breakfast nook, and the kitchen. All right, as we go upstairs, there's the 4 bedrooms on this floor and 2 baths. And as you can see with the windows and light, the architecture just carries right up to this floor too. Just out the back door, you have access to Coulee Mine, which touches the Vermilion River. So if you're a kayaker or you have a small boat, this is a great bonus to this home. Thanks for viewing this South Louisiana home with me. I'd like to thank Jay for letting us preview this listing. And if you'd like more information on this listing or others in the Bendale Gardens area, please contact me today, and I'll see you at our next show.